Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I'm going to be replacing the front and rear wiper blades on this Mini Cooper S. This is a 2013 the R56 model era. So the front wiper blades I've got here are these Valeo ones, and one of the wiper blades is a little bit longer than the other one. In this case, the passenger side that I have here is a little bit shorter, and sorry, the driver side and the passenger side is a little bit longer. Now I've got these two here, and for the rear I have a Bosch wiper blade. So these ones here, this one is a 19-inch. And this other one here is 18-inch. That's written in there. Now when you remove one of your blades, so I've removed one of them. I'm going to show you how to remove them. They have this type of securing clip. Now inside of the box of this I had lots of different types of attachments, and in one of those, which is the one would fit that, so we need to clip that onto our wiper blade. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to remove this one here. So this is the driver side, and to remove these, basically if we pull this out, all you want to do is sort of hold this here. You don't have to press it, you just need to pull it down. Basically we want to pull it down like that way. There's an arrow there, there's a little arrow showing you to pull it this way. So you pull it down and then you pull this out. So down and out. So it can be a little bit hard if they are if they've been there a while, but that is what we need to do. Hang on. Okay, I've taken it out once to loosen it, but just to show you, I put it back in so it can push that down and slide this out, and you're just trying to basically unclip it from there and pull it out. I don't know why it has to be so hard, but there you are, it does come out. So that little bit there is basically clipped in there. So this process with two hands is a lot easier. And here I have my new wiper. You may notice there's a little arrow there, so this is going to go like this. So if you have the attachment here, you just want to push it and plug it in there. Basically your new attachment is going to push into here, like so, and then that is going to slide in here. This is slightly different, but same sort of procedure. Have to pull this down a bit in order to let it slide in there. But yeah, okay. Once it slides in, push it in, and it's going to click in, and that is done. So now I have to do the other side. Same procedure, same thing. In my case, I lost the attachment for the other side, so I'm gonna have to try and remove one of these and fit it onto the new wiper blade. That's gonna be my task. But the rear one, it's here. Bosch H240. So the rear one is hopefully a bit easier. Just slide it to one side, and this usually basically unclips this way. I can just pull it with one hand. There we are. It just unclips from there. It's just pressed into there. So if I can do it with one hand, you can do it with two very easily. So now just put it there and pull it in, and you will hear it clicking, and that is that. So that is done. Having said that, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me, and thank you for watching. So we'll see you in the next video.